All right, working on an 18 Porsche Cayman this time. You can see it's got curb rash about halfway around the wheel. I'm going to do this is the right rear. I'm going to do the right front on this one too. And it doesn't have as much damage, but it has been repaired before also. And it looks like they painted it and didn't clear coat it, so the paint is pretty much gone. And that's all the way around this wheel. So we're going to take out the curb rash first and sand all the way around the wheel to get ready for paint and clear coat. Nothing super deep again, so maybe right here I might have to switch, but I'm going to try to take all this out with the 320 grit also. This is coming out pretty easy with the 320 grit, so I'm just going to stick with it all the way around the wheel. Just going to take a few extra passes. You can see how easy this paint's coming off. That's how you can tell it was never clear coated. All right, all the damage is out. Sanded all the way around the wheel. Now we're ready to scuff and paint. All right, now we'll shoot the clear around the entire wheel. I don't have much room on this one to work, so the paint gun's kind of awkward, but